What would you suggest to people who feel guilt and regret for the below most searched examples on the internet? 1. Cheating partner. So, if you are a cheating partner and you're feeling guilt and regret because you did it, now you ask yourself, why did you cheat? Have some clarity about that. Till that issue is solved, you'll continue cheating, okay? So find out why the hell did you cheat. And if somebody's cheated on you, you also need to find out why the hell did they cheat. What's the real reason? It's time for honesty and honest conversations. By cheating, you open the door for honesty. Don't skirt around and then just say that I'm wrong when you don't feel that you're wrong, because you'll go and do it again, okay? You have to solve the problem. So get to the root of it. Okay, next one. Hurting someone. So if you hurt someone, then all you have to do is go say sorry and say, what can I do to make up for it? Think, what can you do to make up for it? Give them a few suggestions. Will this make up for it? And if they accept it, good. Otherwise, they'll say, you suggest what will make up for it. Say, no, I'll make up for it. Then that relationship is over. You can leave. Okay? So that means that person is not willing to work with you anymore. They've lost complete trust and they feel that you will betray them again. So you lost that relationship. Move on and don't do it with other people. That's all, simple. Next is failing the expectations of partners. So if you fail the expectations of your partner, ask yourself two things. Am I willing to meet that expectation? If the answer is yes, then how can I meet that expectation? And learn it. It's just a matter of learning it. Go find out from an expert who's actually meeting that expectation and learn from them. Learn from their example. That's how we learn, from example. But if your answer is, I'm not willing to meet this expectation, then ask yourself, why the hell am I still here? Get out of it. And the third question to ask is, maybe, is my partner willing to let go of that expectation? If the answer is yes, then give them all the resources and give them the space and patience for them to learn how to let go of that expectation. As long as their intention is right, they'll learn it. And if they're not willing to learn, then again ask yourself, what the hell am I doing in this relationship? Okay? So use these algorithms and figure it out. Yeah, use your brains. You don't have to worry about this. You don't even need yoga for this. Okay. Disappointing parents or children. You disappoint anybody, it's the same procedure that I explained above, which is if you fail the expectations of someone, it's the same thing. Okay? Disappointing and expectation, same thing. So you just have to ask the same questions. Am I willing to not disappoint them anymore? And if you are, then how can I learn to not disappoint them anymore? Because you obviously need a skill upgrade if that's what you need. Then find out where you can learn it, from whom you can learn it, copy them and learn it. But if you're not willing to meet those expectations and you feel they're unfair or unreasonable, then what can you do? Ask yourself, what can I do? Do I have the power to tell them to get lost? If you have the power, then tell them to get lost. If you don't have the power, then you have to tolerate them till you have the power. Then you get into learning how you can have the power to tell them to get lost. It's basically, for most people, just financial independence. That's it. So if you can figure that out, then you can get out of this place, So you decide what is it. No need to feel guilty. Take decisions, guilt will go away. Decisions are the opposite of guilt. Okay. Not spending enough time with family members. Now ask yourself, is it possible for you? If it's possible for you, then you do it. Otherwise, if the family members' expectations are that you will spend time when it's not possible for you, you need to have a talk with them and tell them, listen boss, this is what is possible, this is what I'm doing. If you can't be okay with it, I'm really sorry. You'll have to look for a new family. You'll have to look for a new me. You have to find a replacement for me because I can't do it in the place I am. But if you can do it, then do it. Ask yourself, am I committed to my family or not? If you don't have commitment to your family, don't do it. That's also okay. Nothing is wrong. Okay, so you figure out what is right for you and stop this guilt shit. Next is failing personal goals. When you fail your personal goal, what is there to feel guilty? Shut up and learn and don't do drama. Okay, if you like this video, follow for more. I keep talking about life and all the obstacles that you have to yoga so that you can overcome all these stupid obstacles and become my student and learn yoga and do something good in the world. Okay, if that sounds like a plan, follow my page.